Here's your fork.
Taste test
Tuesday!
summer
Edition! That was so not cool.
That's epic.
And so,
As you can tell, I've been swimming. My face is like really tan and red right now.
yes, that is true.
Yeah.
Not as
And
much.
my shoulders are showing. Because it's summer.
Okay.
Ah!
No, it doesn't. It's not that bad. It doesn't look the most appetizing right now, and I don't know why.
Show.
Okay, so wait. Just as soon as I looked down, I was like, "You're not gonna want this." On the menu today. On the menu today is I just put avocado in my hair. So it's a stuffed avocado, and so it's got avocado, and it's got green onions and chicken, like shredded chicken, and just different spices. And on the top, it looks like they're tomatoes, but they're little things of bacon. Wait, this is yours because it looks prettier, and then this one's mine.
This looks prettier.
No, actually, this one looks this looks just as pretty. Here's the backstory: is that she does not like avocado.
No.
So this was my first choice.
Is there like cabbage in here?
No, it's just avocado.
Well, what's the stringy part?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
chicken.
there's
You
chicken.
like chicken.
I like
Okay,
chicken.
so take a thing, and then put it in your mouth. You're actually gonna like it.
Okay.
It's actually good. Okay, and go.
Cheers.
No, in.
Will I like it?
Mhm.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Mmm.
Really? Wait, what? You actually like it?
Yeah, it's good.
I can't tell if you're serious or not. Do you actually like it?
It's actually not horrible.
That is so cool. Because I think it tasted a lot better a few hours ago.
This
No.
is surprisingly good.
And it's got avocado. Oh my.
Maybe I'll like avocado.
Yeah, because you always say you're like, I don't like the texture.
Mm-hmm.
It's fine. It's fine.
Rachel, this is good.
Yay!
Glad there's chicken in it.
Yeah, that's like the main ingredient is chicken. And then you get to eat it in these disposable little bowls and you just throw them away. Oh, cute.
Very, very earth-friendly.
Mm-hmm.
But see, I don't want to eat that right there.
What? It's an avocado.
I know.
Just try it.
A fly. What happens when you eat
A fly?
outside?
Oh.
I didn't eat a fly. Taste test Tuesday.
I thought you said what happens when you eat a fly. I was going to say protein. Look, this is how much I've eaten. Show them. You've just been picking. I've been like actually like going for it.
Well, I'm done.
Okay, but really, this was a success though.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. I personally am blown away. That's funny.
I didn't eat the chunks.
I know. That was our taste test for today. Taste test Tuesday.
Summer edition.
So